Buenos freaking dias today, Tuesday, November 21st. And I guess we're doing a forklift today. That's gonna be exciting. I've definitely never changed the fluid on a forklift before. Let's see here. No, it's not that. Is it this Manitou? It does have a number 3 on it. It's got that thing on it. Oh, it's not attached. Well, this is the one. This should be fun. I've definitely never changed the oil on a forklift before. We're gonna get this. We're gonna figure this out together. So somehow we gotta figure out of this whole box of filters, what goes where. I love it. This is gonna be a fun, it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun Tuesday. We're gonna figure this out together. It's gonna be great. Let's get forked over this forklift. Let's fork this forklift. I don't know which one I'll use. Probably use both. It's so cold. I mean, that's crazy. All right, I got the last one all finished up and taken care of. I want to film a little clip of it going away, but they already brought another one in. And time to get after this one. First things first, I need to eat some lunch. It's almost 11:30 and I'm hungry. All right, we got this one all finished up now. That's awesome, good for me. But now, for whatever reason, the starter decided to go out. So I gotta pull that today. That's gonna be the last thing for today's mission. And then, yeah, set that aside, get it rebuilt in the morning, put this thing back together and get this thing back in service. I made a little bit of a mess today. I'm not too jazzed about that. On this one, the oil just came out of there full force. I pulled the plug and just like a freaking waterfall. I was obviously not expecting that at all. And yeah, let's pull the starter and it's a little less than an hour to go for the day. We should be able to get it out. Overall, a pretty successful day today. First time ever changing oil on a tractor, or not a tractor, a forklift. See, we're gonna have to revisit it tomorrow. There was one bolt on the top of the starter that I just, for the life of me, couldn't get out. So I put some penetrating oil on there, and then hopefully overnight it will do its thing and be ready for me in the morning. After that, see y'all. After we get the starter out in the morning, then I think the word on the street is we're gonna be heading over to the other ranch, which is directly across from right over there. And they got tractors and stuff over there that need, it's easier to just go over there to work on them than it is for them to bring them over to us. So yeah, I'm just on my way right now to go meet up with Eric. We're gonna do some laps at the mission and then call it a day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Later.